Today we are back in the shop, and not only do we have new products for you, we have a new brand as well.
Hey, do that again.
Now, PRL Motorsports has been around since 2007, but in a much different space than you'd see here on this channel. These guys specialize in Honda performance. It only makes sense that their breakaway into the truck market is with the Honda Civic of trucks, the EcoBoost F-150. Now that I've made everybody mad.
Let me at him!
So for this specific platform, we've got a new intake and we've got a new intercooler. Now we'll start with the intercooler. Obviously, as you can see here with this crappy stock one in front of me, significantly larger, significantly more air volume is going to pump through this. And this one is fully aluminum with TIG welded aluminum ends, as opposed to the plastic one we have over here on the stock Ford unit. Now when it comes to the intake, obviously significantly different than our factory paper filter and tiny little air box. This one's actually going to push twice as much volume with their dual 4-inch piping and 5.5-inch dual filters here. So we went from everything sharing one filter to now each turbo has its own pipe and filter, breathe better, more performance. Now I need to get this right. Let me go look. Now, not only is this just going to make the truck breathe better, perform better under average conditions, in the high RPM range, they're talking the intake alone is going to gain 8 horsepower, and this new intercooler up to 21 horse. Again, high RPM range, things like that. They're actually really easy to install. So as you can see, I've got the stock crap out. So let's get this fancy new in and see how easy it is. Yeah, 10, Bailey. 10? 10. 10 and 3/8 are the same.
I'm aware.
Hey, that fits. Adam, as a Civic owner, would you ever consider driving the Civic of pickup trucks?
Probably. I mean, I don't have a truck, so any truck is fine, I guess.
You need to get that thing out of there.
I don't fucking know. There's no instructions, Bailey. There it goes. Now maybe we got some room for this big. Jesus, I probably could have used the stock ones. Probably should have done this first. I'm enjoying the breeze. All right, guys, there you have it. We just bolted on almost 30 horsepower to this 3.5 EcoBoost. So it's got to be pushing at least like 100 now, right? By that math.